Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Update the device and turn on Apple Intelligence so processing runs locally when available. Once done, make sure Photos and iCloud Sync are active so edits reference originals. Now pick 1 to 3 target images and open Edit. Tap the Apple Intelligence button to reveal suggestions. You do this because the model adapts to your library, and starting with a few controlled examples gives predictable outputs and faster iteration. Once the AI panel shows suggestions, choose one and adjust the strength slider. You can also fine-tune exposure, color temperature, and sharpening to match intent. Make targeted edits by using select subject or background controls so changes remain local. Remove distractions with the object removal tool when needed. Then compare before and after using the split preview, and when satisfied, apply that edit set to similar photos in a batch. This saves time and keeps a consistent look across a shoot. To finish, export using the format you need. Choose Pro RAW for advanced post-work or keep edits non-destructive in Photos for later tweaks. Once done, duplicate a version if you expect multiple stylistic variations, and remember you can always revert to original. If you encounter odd artifacts or haloing, reduce the AI adjustment strength and retouch with clone or heal. This fixes local problems without losing the overall enhancement. If issues persist, revert and try a different suggestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.